This is Bert. Welcome back to my channel. And today I made some changes on my channel. So instead of, if you've checked out my channel before, then you know we had this. I'm learning AWS. I had a stock market volatility index sheet that I've been putting together and kind of I made it an interactive dashboard. And this is what it looks like. This is just how I look at the stock market. So in my dashboard, you can see the sectors, the industry, the sub-industry. These are the spots where you can make selections. So you can choose a sector, and then you notice stuff will change. Then you go into industries. What is this? We'll choose consumer discretionary. So I picked consumer discretionary. Now inside consumer discretionary, it's maybe like 8 selections. Well, these are all right here, so we could pick maybe distributors, and then it'll take you to the sub-industries, and then essentially these will show you all the tickers inside of the sub-industry. This is after I made the initial data pool, then I went through, cleaned up the data, and now I made some selections to kind of see how much closer into vicious to get closer into the ticker symbol for the sub industry that we're looking at. So it's not everything is going on in the stock market. It's, hey, I looked at consumer discretionary. Inside of that consumer discretionary, I looked at distributors. Inside of distributors, this was the sub-industry. In distributors, I could see how much money flowed in and out of it. And then I have a volatility index where I have a rating set for how much you move based on the volatility for that stock. All right, now initially we started out with an Excel sheet, and today I would like to show you the AWS quicksight version of this spreadsheet. So again, it'll show you how many ETFs, futures, contracts, and stocks there are. Then you're making the same kind of pools that you would make in the Excel sheet. You're just making it inside of inside of quicksight. So you can pick, if we're looking, you can pick consumer. Well, we can look at consumer discretionary, and notice these are changing. And then if we wanted to look at distributors, it's only one set of distributors, and then these are the stocks inside of the distributors. So I just wanted to make a little quick video to show this part, and then from moving forward, we're going to be utilizing the quicksight dashboard. So if you get a chance and you're into trading, check it out. After this, there are no selections that you can make. Then from here you're going back into TD Ameritrade, and then looking up news or whatever that you want to find out about these stocks. All right, well, till next time, peace.